To launch a timekeeper application, go to your web browser on your phone and type in tk-edm.ies-co.com. Next, type in your work email. Then click Next. Type in your password and click Sign In. You will be asked to verify your identity by receiving a text message to your phone with a code. Click on the text plus XXX and then your phone number. Now type in the code that you received on your phone. Click Verify. And then click Yes, and you will be redirected to the Timekeeper application. Once you're in the Timekeeper application, if you would like to see the pages in Spanish, click on the top right button that says En Español. This will change all the pages into Spanish. To go back to English, click on the English button. When you're ready to clock into your job, click on the Clock In button. Next, Timekeeper will ask for your phone's location. Click Allow to continue. Here you will see the information has been pre-filled out for you, but if you need to change anything, click on the drop-down list. For example, job type, you can change from non-billable trim work to retro service billable. When you're ready to clock in, click the Clock In Now button. When you have finished work for the day and you're ready to clock out, click on the Clock Out button. If Timekeeper asks for your location again, click Allow to continue. Next, all you need to do is hit the Clock Out button. To request time off, click on the Time Off Request button. Then select the type of time off you would like to take, PTO or unpaid time off. Next, select the date by clicking on the calendar icon and clicking on the date you would like to take off. Then select a start time and how many hours you want to take. Then click on the Request button. Here you will be asked if you want to request more days off. If you want to take more days off, click on Yes, and you will be redirected to the previous page and where you can fill out another time off request. If you only want to take that day off, click on No, and you'll be redirected to the home page. To review your time cards and time off requests, click on the Review My Time Cards. Next, select the date range that you would like to see your time off requests and time cards by clicking on the icon. For example, if I want to see all of my PTO requests or time card requests for the month of September, I will start on the 1st and then on the 30th. Then click on Get Time Cards. Here you will see all your time cards and PTO requests for the month of September. And if you scroll to the right, you can see more information like date work, time in and out, hours, department, cost type, pay type, PTO start, and what requests have been approved and which ones are pending approval or rejected. If you forget to clock in on a day you work, you can manually enter a time card by clicking on the Add Regular Time. Here, this is similar to the Clock In button, except you have to select a date. For example, if I forgot to clock in on the 15th, and then the start time, select the time that you started that day. So we'll put 8 a.m. and say I finished at 5 p.m. Then you will need to add a comment as to why you're adding a time card manually. You can say, forgot to clock in. And then click on the Add Time button. And here you will see that for Thursday the 15th from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. is the request I just added. It was 9 hours. And it's pending approval because I just added it. You can also modify or delete any requests by clicking on the Select button. For example, we have 2 time cards for 9:15 and I want to delete one. So let's delete the one I just added by clicking on select and then click the delete button. Then select OK. And as you can see, that time card has been deleted. Now say I want to modify a time card or PTO request. For example, we have this one for Friday the 23rd from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Let's say I want to modify the date. We can change it to Friday the 30th and say I want to take unpaid time off and only 2 hours. Then on the comment section, just add a comment. So change the date and hours. Then click update. And now you can see that it changed to the 30th from 8 to 10 a.m., only 2 hours.